Rising gently above the coastline of Larnaca lies Oroklini Mountain, a quiet natural space often overlooked by visitors to Cyprus. From below, it appears modest, not dramatic or imposing. But as you move closer, Oroklini Mountain reveals something more valuable than size: stillness, space, and perspective. This is a place where the pace slows, and the sounds of the city fade into the background. The landscape here is defined by rocky paths, low shrubs, and scattered pine trees shaped by wind and sun. The air feels different, lighter, cleaner. Birdsong replaces traffic noise. Looking back toward the coast, the Mediterranean stretches outward, a constant blue presence beyond the hills. This contrast between mountain and sea gives Oroklini its unique character. Oroklini Mountain is part of a wider natural ecosystem that supports a surprising amount of life. Small lizards dart between stones. Birds circle overhead, using the rising air currents to glide effortlessly. In spring, wildflowers appear between rocks, bursts of color in an otherwise earthy landscape. This is a place that rewards quiet observation. For centuries, this land was shaped by simple human activity: grazing, farming, and footpaths worn into the earth. Villagers from Oroklini used these slopes for practical purposes, not leisure. The mountain was a resource, not a retreat. Today, those same paths invite a different kind of visitor, one searching for calm rather than survival. As we climb higher, the views begin to open. From this elevation, the coastline feels distant, almost quiet. Buildings shrink. Roads disappear. The wind is stronger here, carrying the scent of pine and dry earth. It's a reminder of how small everyday concerns can feel when seen from above. Oroklini Mountain isn't dramatic, and that's its strength. It doesn't demand attention. It offers space. Many locals come here to walk, think, or simply sit in silence. There's no rush, no expectation, just time. As our walk comes to an end, Oroklini Mountain remains behind us, unchanged, patient, and quiet. In a world that moves fast, places like this matter. Thank you for joining this journey across Oroklini Mountain. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, goodbye from the hills above Larnaca.